In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring payments in Stripe, providing you with a comprehensive guide to implementing subscription payments seamlessly. Let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process together. We'll begin by heading over to the Stripe website. Open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once there, you'll notice a sign in option. Click on that. Now you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Be sure to use the credentials associated with your Stripe account. This is the door to all the functionalities Stripe has to offer, including setting up those all-important recurring payments. After entering your details, click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. Once you're on the homepage of Stripe, you'll see a variety of options available to you. Next, look for the Billing option on the sidebar. Billing is where you manage subscriptions, invoices, and other essential payment features. Click on Billing to proceed further. After clicking Billing, you'll want to select the Subscriptions tab. This area is where you can manage current subscriptions and set up new ones. Now let's move to the setup of a new subscription. Begin by entering the customer's name or email. This information is key as it links the subscription to the correct account holder, ensuring payments are made to and from the right individual or organization. Next, you'll set the duration of the subscription. Consider how often you want to bill your customers. Options might include weekly, monthly, or annually. Choose what aligns best with your business model and customer expectations. After determining the duration, it's time to add the product or service you wish to offer on a recurring basis. This is an important step as it clearly defines what the customer will be paying for over time. Setting the price for your product or service comes next. Be precise with this amount, including any applicable taxes or fees your business might charge. Clear pricing not only conveys value but also avoids potential confusion later on. Then you'll specify when billing should start. Maybe you want it another day, week, or even immediately. Whatever your preference, make sure it aligns with your intended customer experience. Choosing the payment method follows. Stripe supports a range of payment options. It's all about finding what works for your business and your customers. Finally, after carefully reviewing each entry for accuracy, click on Create to establish the subscription officially. And just like that, you've set up recurring payments for your business using Stripe. This simple yet powerful process will help you streamline revenue collection and enhance customer